Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Beauty is in the eye of beholder. Be like. Beauty isn't one size fits all. Everyone has different tastes, opinions, and perspective. That's what makes the world colorful and interesting. One person says, wow. Another says, meh. Reason, everyone has different tastes. 2, you love pineapple on pizza. Your comrade says, absolutely not. Reason, preferences are personal. 3, one calls it vintage. Another calls it old. Reason, perspective changes everything. 4, your favorite song, someone else skip button, rock, pop, jazz, or classic. Everyone enjoys different sounds. Reason, music speaks differently to everyone. 5, a tiny puppy steals your heart. Someone else love giant dogs. Some adore dogs, other prefer cats. Both bring gladness. Reason, different people, different favorites. 6, you admire colorful sunsets. Someone else love rainy skies. Some love beaches, others enjoy mountains or forests. Reason, favorite places vary. 7, one person dreams car is another person's alpas. Reason, style is subjective. 8, some love spicy food, others reach for a glass of milk. Sweet, spicy, or savory, our taste buds are wonderfully different. Reason, everyone has a unique taste. 9, one sees a cozy little home can be just a beautiful as a large one. Another dreams of a skyscraper. Reason, happiness looks different for everyone. 10, some collect sneakers, other collect books, adventure, mystery, history. Reason, passion aren't one size fits all. Every reader has favorite. 11, one loves quiet mornings, another enjoy lively nights. Reason, different lifestyles bring different gladness. 12, some prefer a simple outfit, other enjoy bold fashion, simple outfits or colorful styles. Wear what makes you happy. Reason, personal style is unique. 13, a painting that amazes one person may puzzle another. One sees art, another sees a doodle. Reason, creativity is interpreted differently. 14, someone enjoy action movies. Other love romantic comedies. Reason, entertainment is a matter of taste. There's a movie for everyone. 15, some admire fancy desserts. Others smile at homemade cookies. Reason, simple things can be just as special. 16, one laugh at silly jokes. Another enjoy clever wordplay. Reason, humor is personal too. 17, a handmade gift can mean more than an expensive one. Reason, thoughtfulness adds its own beauty. 18, confidence makes almost anything shine brighter. Being comfortable with yourself is always attractive. Reason, a positive attitude is always fascinating. 19, the best kind of beauty is being kind to others. Reason, kindness leaves a lasting impression. Helping others is a beauty that never goes out of style. 20, favorite colors, blue, green, pink, or black. Every color has fans. 21, some love roses, others prefer sunflowers. Every flower blooms beautifully. 22, gaming, cooking, baking, painting, hiking, biking, swimming, different hobbies brings happiness. 23, a genuine smile is beautiful because it comes from the heart. 24, good comrades are a treasure for who they are, not how they look. 25, inner beauty, kindness, honesty, and respect shine brighter than appearances, leave a lasting impression. Celebrate uniqueness and remember the brightest beauty often comes from a kind heart, warm smile, and the way you treat others.